Hello, and welcome to this short tutorial video from Production Assist. In this video, we'll show you how you can access worksheets via the various assembly sheets in Production Assist. Under Window, Assembly Sheets at the top, I see the properties that I can display and filter. And at the bottom, I see the assembly sheets that have generated from the drawing. Outputs are very versatile and can show, for example, a patch list, a DMX network table, or a table for truss construction, and much more. With filters, you can select which objects and devices should be displayed. The property sheet displays the selected properties for each drawing object, generated by the filters. Production Assist creates assembly sheets on the one hand for your project documentation, and on the other hand, they function from the philosophy as correction sheets for your components. Default templates automatically provide individual attributes of the property fields and the object filters. I can also create my own default template. I designed this here in these fields, which I set up the way I would like them to be. Here we can now add the object ID, the name, then the structure, and can then select the filters. I go to Create Template and name it Ground Support. And then generate this template. Presets for setups with a timeline, even as a rehearsal, can be displayed here as a table. The same goes for inventory. Nothing is easier than creating a template with an inventory list. The Structures and Supports tabs list all dimensions, weights and attributes of structures and static elements. Except for the sorting function, these registers look practically the same. Trucks, cases and racks are, in a sense, all containers for which optimal loading space can be calculated based on the volume of the objects that have to be packed for transport. Gels shows a list of the number and properties of the foils, and electricals display the power loads. Under Notes, I can add remarks. The Overview shows me everything at one glance. The displayed list can be prepared in A4 format, as a PDF. To do this, we only need to adjust the column widths, so that there is sufficient space for them. The red markings at the top of the fields indicate the possible widths for the portrait or landscape A4 document formats. Remember, assembly sheets generate all the properties of an object in a list and provide part of your entire paperwork. Defaults provide pre-existing templates, and you can also create your own. Red markings help you format your list in PDF format for export. We will be happy to answer even more questions in the next video. Thank you for your attention.